I've checked my list, and guess what? You're on the nice list, right after you subscribe to Jeffman316.
Hey, welcome everybody. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. This was the last trip that we made to Greenbrier Resort in West Virginia. This is the back entrance the night that we arrived. I'm showing you, but we're going to show you a lot of sights and sounds of Greenbrier. You're going to see Santa Claus and a couple other things. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of Greenbrier Resort.
to dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun is to ride and walk on open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun is to ride and walk on open sleigh. Seven highway to the little lamb. Do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, little lamb. Do you see what I see? The star, dancing in the night with its sailors wing as Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you just the same. Santa Claus knows we're all God's children, that makes everything right. So fill your heart with Christmas cheer, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Stay right here, okay? Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's almost here! He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again.
Hello, everybody! I'm glad to see everybody here again. Are y'all excited to see this big tree light up tonight?
You know what, Santa? We practiced already. We practiced our magic words, so I think they're gonna be ready. But first, we have a couple questions for you.
Okay.
So a lot of them have already sent their letters in. I think you're working hard. Your elves are working hard on getting those presents ready. But for those who have not sent in their letter yet, do they still have time?
Oh, you got plenty of time. Yes,
Woo.
definitely.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Light up the Greenbrier! We did it! You did it!
We did it. Can I hear a ho, ho, ho?
While we're all having fun, he is working hard. So we better let him go back to the North Pole and keep working. Can we say thank you, Santa, for coming?
You're very, very welcome.
Thank you, Santa.
So hopefully you enjoyed the sights and sounds of Greenbrier Resort in West Virginia. This is the main Christmas tree outside the lobby. Really nice. They had a classic Greenbrier Christmas is what they called it. I can't play the music that the guy is playing. It's probably copyrighted. It's actually a Charlie Brown Christmas. So we sat there and enjoyed it. But hopefully, like I said, you enjoyed everything you saw here. If you will, do me a favor. Please always support the channel any way you can. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do all that normal YouTube stuff. If you are a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the notification bell. You'll know when I post new videos. So please have a happy holiday, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. And this is JeffMan316, as always, your pop culture reporter, signing out, saying you guys be safe out there.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.